I'm here at Coma Reserve for the city's first ever Sounds of Bunuru concert. Tonight is all about family, friends, mutual respect, coming together as a community, and of course, music. The City of South Perth is delighted to provide inclusive and family-friendly opportunities for our community to enjoy shared cultural experiences in our beautiful local settings. Sounds of Bunuru is a celebration of Aboriginal culture and is just one of the ways that the City of South Perth is providing opportunities for our community to enjoy performances by talented WA artists in picturesque local settings.